Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can clear the cache and cookies or the browsing data of your Google Chrome browser. So if your Google Chrome browser is having issues like it is taking slow or it is like slow downloading and your any error or issue that you are facing with your Google Chrome browser, deleting the cache and cookies or the browsing data can help you with that. So let's go quick into the process. Let's bring up our Google Chrome browser first. So in the Windows search bar, type here Chrome, and that will appear under the best match. So go ahead and click on that. Now in your Google Chrome browser, you need to locate the three dots. You can find that in the top right corner. This is to customize and control your Google Chrome browser. Now once you find that, simply click on that. Scroll down and you will find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol that's under help. Now here in the settings window for your Google Chrome browser, you have a lot of options on the left pane, but you need to choose privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol that's under autofill and passwords. Now you have to click on privacy and security. And under privacy and security, you will find this delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. You have to click on this. Now you have two ways on how you can delete the browsing data for your Google Chrome browser. You have basic and the advanced tab. Now we are going to choose the advanced tab. So simply click on the advanced tab. Now here you have the time range. Click on this drop down menu. You have last hour. So if you're going to choose last hour, what will be deleted will only be for the last hour. If you're going to choose last 24 hours, what will be deleted will only be for the last 24 hours. If you're going to choose last 7 days, what will be deleted will only be for the last 7 days and also for the last 4 weeks. So to summarize all of the first 4 options, you have to choose all time. Browsing history checked, download history checked, cookies and other site data checked, cached images and files checked, site settings checked, hosted app data checked, passwords and other sign-in data, do not check that. Autofill form data, do not check that. Or simply uncheck these boxes. Once you are done, simply click on delete data. Then you're good to go. So if you click on the new tab, then you will have a fast Google Chrome just by deleting your cache and cookies or the browsing data for your Google Chrome browser. So the process is just very easy and it is very helpful for you. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.